Very good morning to all. Indian Psychiatry Society, South Zone Branch and Atma Hospital organizing International Suicide Awareness Day webinar. I welcome each one of you for this webinar program. Now I am inviting guest Dr. K. Ramakrishnan for the dais and Dr. K. Kishan and Dr. K. Arun Kumar for the dais. Thank you, sir. Now we start our program with, now I am calling Dr. K. Ramakrishnan, Vice President, Indian Psychiatry Society, South Zone Branch, and Managing Director, Atma Hospital, for welcome speech.
Good morning to all of you. Welcome you all for this important webinar on suicide prevention, Love to Live. I am very happy. More than 1,000 of you have registered and you are online. Even in spite, today is a Sunday. That shows your interest in this topic. You know that suicide is a global problem. It is not an individual problem. It is a societal problem. You may be knowing last year, according to statistics, 8 lakh people have committed suicide in the world. And India, we had 1,50,000 suicides last year. Maharashtra tops and Tamil Nadu is the second place in number of suicides. But so-called underdeveloped states, northeast area, suicides are very less. Then I leave it to you why there is so much suicide here. And I am proud and very happy that the lady who pioneered and motivated WHO to observe September 10th as World Suicide Prevention Day, Professor Lakshmi Vijay Kumar, our mentor, she is the chief guest for this day. I should be extremely thankful and proud to be associated with you, madam. You know that we are also interested from the beginning, interested in suicide prevention and had some research work on suicidology. And I presented a poster presentation in 2001, where International Association of Suicide Prevention Conference in Chennai. First time to happen in Asia. At that time, madam may not know who I am. I was a very minor tertiary figure in terms of psychiatry. And I attended the conference and it motivated me how you should run a suicide prevention center, what are the avenues and everything. After that only, we started our Atma Suicide Prevention Center with the mobile number 98424-22121. So, madam, you have opened our eyes and I am very happy. And we had transformed thousands of lives in our area. To quote one or two examples, one man, Sebastian, in Trichy, they used to conduct public exhibitions and all, where we have display, they give pamphlets free. And that fellow had taken the pamphlet from the ground and he got the number and called me. Sir, is it 98424221? Yes. Suicide prevention பண்றீங்களா? Yes. நான் suicide பண்ணிக்கணும் போல இருக்கு. என் லைஃப்ல ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. நான் Ceylon refugee. நான் என்ன பண்றதுன்னு தெரியல அப்படி. Immediately we went to that place, rescued him, brought him back and treated his for depression. He lost his passport, he lost everything from Ceylon. And with the help of Karur collector, Dr. Venkatesan, we could get another passport, visa, and he is back. So we were very happy. Another call we had from Kaveri River. A policeman asked, "Sir, is it this hotline number?" "Yes, sir. One lady is about to jump in River Kaveri. Sir, please help her." Immediately we went and rescued her, treated her for depression and marital problem and other things. After that, she is happy. The story goes on. So this Suicide Prevention Center is needed for every city. That's what the idea of the suicide prevention awareness programs. And Madam is a pioneer on that. Every year we organize some programs for suicide prevention. Last year we had cycle rally. That previous year we had human chain. Previous year we gave awareness posters throughout the bus stand and other things for 1 week. So this year we had planned 5K run, and I promised Dr. Kishan sir that we will be doing that 5K run. But because of the unfortunate situation of the COVID, at least I am happy that I could make up this webinar and organize 2,000 people for this program. And I thank Dr. Kishan sir for coming all the way to be physically present for this inaugural function. I thank you, sir. Now it is my turn to invite Dr. Kishan sir. He is the current president of the Indian Psychiatric Society, South Zonal Branch. He is a committed leader, leading from the front. He used to say, he keeps saying, leaders should be in the front. Don't spoil, don't take risk for your soldiers. He's very much into it. We have so far organized IPS, PG CME program at Vijayawada, midterm CME program at Mysore, and now this program. All these things, he went by car, got the E-pass, but he didn't allow other members to travel and take the risk. But he was willing to take the risk and stand as an example. I bow to you for your commitment, sir. He is an excellent academician, researcher, and his area is suicidology, spirituality, yoga, and mental health. His son, Dr. Uttam, is also here. He is also doing postgraduate psychiatry, and his second son is also looking for doing PG in psychiatry. I think the whole generation will lead Karimnagar to a mental health hub in India. Welcome you, sir. And I am very happy to invite our guest of honor, Sri Balakrishnan, sir. I don't know what to say. So much he has done for the society. He made IPS position as a dignified one. Now he is the Joint Commissioner of Police in Chennai North. Previously he was DGP in Trichy. When he was in Trichy, the crime rate had reduced. He had even organized suicide prevention, counseling centers in police station. And what touches me is his interest to transgenders and slum dwellers. I believe whenever he finds time, he brings youth from slum area, invite them to his home, give them good lunch, and talk to them, motivate them. In that way, he stands as an example for all people, humanitarian. I bow to you, sir, and I am very happy to invite you, sir. Professor Lakshmi Vijay Kumar. Lakshmi Vijay Kumar and Sneha name are synonymous, I would say. Sneha is Dr. Lakshmi Vijay Kumar. What to say? I would say she is the mother of suicide prevention movement in India. And I am sure that millions of people will be praying for her long life and healthy life because of her Sneha Suicide Prevention Center. She had saved millions of people. I am proud again that we both belong to Tanjavur Medical College. She is 1972 batch and I am 81 batch. And many psychiatrists, leading psychiatrists in Chennai are from Tanjavur Medical College. Dr. Nambi, Dr. Satyanathan, Dr. Tirunavukarasu, Dr. Jayantini, Dr. Balan, you name. I don't know how Tanjavur Medical College students take up interest in psychiatry. And I am happy to be an alumni of this same college. And she is instrumental in opening more than 10 branches all over India. And what stands most is preventing farmer suicide. You know that farmer suicide is very high because of drought and all. She had an initiative about opening a fertilizer box bank where the farmers, after returning back from work, they will put the fertilizer in a locker and go out, so that the intensity to commit suicide and all will reduce. That has given a wonderful effect. And you may be knowing about Nityasri Mahadevan, famous singer, and her husband committed suicide by jumping out of this Adayar bridge. There she found out the bridge, this wall is very low. You can easily jump. She motivated the corporation to increase the height of the bridge wall. After that, the suicide rate has come down. So these type of initiatives, new thinking, made her very successful in her life. And her husband, Dr. Vijay Kumar, is also a famous psychiatrist, and her son, Dr. Vinayak, also a psychiatrist, are the pillars of strength for her. I know all of them. They are so nice to talk, so nice to move. What makes me this thing, even in this age, she is working hard and she is humble, and her humility, even in spite of name and frame, has not gone into her mind. So it is a good moment. Welcome, madam, for this wonderful moment. And I would like to invite our co-host, because actually the theme of the year is working together to prevent suicide. And you know that suicide rate is more among youth, 15 to 29. So we initiated, and 22 institutions like Indian Red Cross Society, Jamal Muhammad College, Gurumud Alam College, Indira Ganesan College, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose College, Velalal College of Nursing, Apollo College of Nursing, and Department of Social Works from Baradas University, Holy Cross, Bishop Heber, Andaman College, Periyar Maniammai, they have all joined with us for this spread. And Department of Women's Studies from Baradas University, Junior Chamber, Rotary Club of Trichy, Youth Exnora, Rishi Foundation, Vidaipom Foundation, Kanmani Foundation, Uyirkakkum Karangal, Agni Saragigal, Nehru Yuva Kendra, Tamil Nadu Medical Sales and Representative Association, and our media partner King TV, they have all joined together. And I will extend my heartfelt welcome to all of these people, and also the Sun Pharma, who are major sponsors for this event. Today, so far, we have got registration for 1,800 people, and our website, our Facebook has reached more than 2 lakh people, and many people are watching through YouTube and Facebook. I welcome all of you for this wonderful occasion, and I request all of you take home the message delivered here and start suicide prevention counseling from your center. You all will be a counselor from today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for a wonderful welcome address. Now the time to pray God, lighting the lamp. Thank you, God, for the wonderful day. Thank you for providing courage to prevent suicide. Now is the time for honoring our guest. I invite our Managing Director, Dr. K. Ramakrishnan, to honor the guest. Thank you, sir. The best emotional moment today being with us. Now I request our guest, Dr. Kishan, President, Indian Psychiatrist Society, South Zone Branch, to release suicide prevention poster. Thank you, sir. It is the time to energize ourselves, to enhance ourselves. Now I am calling my colleague, Mr. Arvind, to introduce our guest for inaugural address, Dr. P. Kishan.
Good morning to all. I take the privilege to introduce our guest, the man of action, the man of simplicity, Dr. P. Kishan. He is the President, Indian Psychiatric Society, South Zonal Branch. He is the Professor and HOD, Department of Psychiatry, Prashanthi, Institute of Medical Sciences, and Chief Psychiatrist of Prashanthi Hospital, Karimnagar. His field of interest are research, rehabilitation, preventive psychiatry, spirituality, and mental health. He is the executive member section on religion, Spirituality and Psychiatry of prestigious World Psychiatric Association. He is also International Fellow of American Psychiatric Society. He had served as President of IMA, Karimnagar, also as convener Indian Psychiatric Society Task Force on Spirituality and Mental Health, and also Task Force on Yoga and Mental Health. He has published many indexed national and international journals. He is also the founder secretary of Karimnagar Psychiatric Society and an NGO Shanti Society of Wellness. He is the receptionist of various awards. To mention a few, Vaidya Ratna Award, Vaidya Vibhushan Award. He has great administrative skills, organized many state, zonal and international conferences. I welcome you, sir.
Mrs. Tamil Mani. Ms. Tamil Mani will introduce Mr. V. Balakrishnan, IPS, the Joint Commissioner of Police, Chennai North.
Very good morning all. I'd like to introduce Mr. V. Balakrishnan, IPS, Joint Commissioner of Police, Chennai North. He did his post-graduation in agriculture. Initially started his journey in Canara Bank, then All India Radio and the Indian Railways, and joined the Indian Police Service in 2003. He has executed his duty with honors in various places in Tamil Nadu. He has many awards in his credits. Director's Disc for preparing a thesis on his training in USA on post-blast investigation. Excellence in Public Service has received Namma Chennai Hero Award twice. Chennai Hero Mattumalla, Tamilhathin Hero. He is very passionate about his physical fitness. He enjoys adventure sports like whitewater rafting, bungee jumping and skydiving. He is fond of cycling and trekking. He is also a good badminton, volleyball and kabaddi player. His key contribution to society: got excellent credits for maintaining law and order in his posting. Wherever he was posted, crime rate reduced drastically. He is passionate in the rehabilitation of tribal people and transgenders. He started legal aid clinic in SP office, Madurai. He started counseling programs for the child rape victims. He is active in youth development from slum areas. He is very interested in community policing and development of ecosystem. Thank you.
Thank you, Tamil Mani. We welcome Mr. V. Balakrishnan, IPS.
In this area. I want to quote here about, because Lakshmi Vijay Kumar is waiting to deliver her lecture, I am telling only 1 or 2 points from the Indian mythology. Our culture, our Indian culture as well as our Sanatana Dharma will not accept the suicide. You take Mahabharata, Arjuna went to depression and anxiety in midday of the war then Lord Krishna has given counseling, that is the Bhagavad Gita. So he has to face, when he has seen his grandfather, he has seen his guru, so his hands shaken, he's out of anxiety, and these things will come. So he told, life is a war, you have to take the challenge. So no attachments, nothing, no guilt, there is no place for the guilt. You have to, whatever comes, you have to take it as a issue. So like that, the counseling goes on. Same thing, I want to express one more same incident in Mahabharata. Most of the people were not aware of this. Even Duryodhana got a depressive scene. He called Bhima in the midnight. The Arjuna episode happens in the midday, in the middle of the Kurukshetra war. But Duryodhana went to this as a gift, ideas of guilt, and went to depressive swing and called Bhima to the middle, in the midnight, in the center place of Kurukshetra, and is given knife to Bhima. I am worthless. And he thought that he developed guilt as he has done sin with Barbarika, the son of Bhima. So my life is worthless. He is a child and he is feeling so guilty, and that in depressive scene he asked Bhima to kill him. So if you kill me, I think you will be going to win the whole this war. So then Bhima has given counseling to the Duryodhana. No, this is not the way. I don't kill you. And you have to face this life. You have to face the war. You have to die as a warrior, not this timid way of. This is the counseling given by Bhima to Duryodhana. Then you know what happened in the whole Mahabharata and Kurukshetra war. So why I am quoting these two messages, in India, suicide rate should be decreased. Our mythology, our Sanatana Dharma is against suicide, and we should ignite not only psychiatric services, not only teamwork and implementation, awareness activities, and the suicide is a sin. So this message I am giving from the banks of river Kaveri, the Trichy. Life is a flow. Stagnation is like death, what our philosophy tells. Life should be like a flow of water. That's why our ashes will be, will pour in the rivers. So that is our life. We should, if we stagnate, that will be equal to death. So always face the challenges, and our mission, our activities should be ignited with this positive way of thinking. You have to face the war. Life itself is a war. And here I am concluding my address because Lakshmi Vijay Kumar is waiting. He is going to give a wonderful and comprehensive presentation of suicide. Madam, I'm thank you to Madam on behalf of from your land. I'm telling my thanks to you for accepting as a chairperson of suicide prevention activity, and thank you very much for to be in cabinet of South Zone EC, and thank you very much to all my EC members for cooperating with me to do all these activities. With this activity we completed South Zone except IFSOCON, and this is going to be, I think, today with the 2,000 count of registration is high. This grade goes to all seniors in my EC and office bearers of the South Zone. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for a beautiful inaugural address. And also you mentioned about in mythology how psychotherapy has been done. Really, it aware our self-insight. And thank you, sir, being with us. Now I'm calling my colleague, Mr. Arvind, introduce our speaker, Madipukkum Mariyadhukuriya Tirumadi Dr. Lakshmi Vijay Kumar.
So good afternoon. It's a great honor for me to introduce Dr. Lakshmi Vijay Kumar. She is the pioneer in suicide prevention in India. She is one of the architects to declare 10th September as World Suicide Prevention Day. She is graduated from Thanjavur Medical College, as Dr. Ramakrishnan mentioned, and did the post-graduation from Institute of Mental Health, Chennai. She is the only Indian psychiatrist to receive both honorary fellow of Royal College of Psychiatrists, FCRP and FCRP Edinburgh. She is the only Asian to be the Vice President of International Association of Suicide Prevention. She is the founder trustee of Sneha, a voluntary center for suicide prevention affiliated to Befriend Us International, Chennai. Now, Sneha helped to establish 10 other centers in India, which is a great achievement. She is the head department of psychiatry, VSHS, Chennai, honorary associate professor of University of Melbourne and Griffith, Australia. She has received many honors and awards, which is more than 20. To mention a few: Lifetime Achievement Awards in Reliance Wellness Foundation, Arunodaya Award for Best NGO in Chennai, Women Doctor Award in the year 2012 from MGR University, Erwin Ringel Service Award for the year 2015 from International Association for Suicide Prevention. Her contributions to suicide prevention are enormous. She was the coordinator of the first suicide prevention report of WHO 2014. She was the instrumental for inclusion of suicide prevention in the national mental health policy. She pioneered to decriminalize attempted suicide to repeal IPC 309 in August 2008. She was the champion of starting pesticide locker in villages to prevent farmer suicide. She has organized 20 plus nationalized and internationalized conferences on suicide prevention. She has published more than 60 research articles on suicide prevention and authored many books on suicide prevention. We welcome you, ma'am.
And I congratulate, I thank them, and I thank the audiovisuals. So last 2 hours, there was not much of, almost no hinges in the program. It was going on well. Thank one and all. Yeah. All the media partners and the news partners also. King TV, thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. The whole discussion highlighted certain stress on the individual and also managing the stress and how to handle the stress has been highlighted. Increase education, increase expectation, economic crisis, and less humanity, internalization, and guilt. These are the much more factor which emotionally disturb the individual. If you understand that, definitely we can overcome, we can prevent the suicide. Luckily, our theme is working together to prevent suicide. Either a professional or non-professional, either a mother, either a father, either a son, a brother, uncle, auntie, everyone has equal, have a rights to prevent suicide. Just think about it and do it on your home. Start from your home, start from the community as well as to the society. Thank you very much.
Vanakkam. Indian Psychiatric Society, South Zone, is doing awareness activities in mental illness, in prevention, and promotion of quality of life, especially the wellness. In the various activities, today in Trichy, we have done on behalf of South Zone, Dr. Ramakrishnan and Atma Hospitals, in association with Tamil Nadu State Branch, Indian Psychiatric Society, organized a web version of awareness program that is Love to Live. This is the program conducted to prevent the suicides which are highest in South India, and our society, as I am the president, Dr. Kishan of South Zone Indian Psychiatric Society, consists 5 states. In these 5 states, the suicides are more. And unfortunately, we are doing, that is why the South Zone is doing regular activity every year. Our all state branches in all 5 states are doing awareness activities to prevention. In this forum, I want to give a message. Today we have done a wonderful, we invited Dr. Lakshmi Vijay Kumar is doing wonderful work on this suicide from Chennai, that is Sneha Institute of Suicide Prevention. She has done wonderful lecture and we interacted. And I visited yesterday Dr. Ramakrishnan's place of Shantivan as well as Atmalaya and Mind City yesterday. So many, more than 2,000 registrations to this web program is a wonderful response. Very happy to encourage us to do so many programs in future. And the message, concluding message is that from the South Zone of Indian Psychiatric Society, message to the public to utilize the services provided by psychiatrists, message to the social workers, psychiatrists, and occupational therapists, counselors, to start centers of intervention. Not only to prevent suicides, to prevent mental illness. Any stress will becoming in a prolonged period will become distress. If the distress is continuous, if it goes to body, it is going to diseases. Goes to the mind, it will give disorders. Schizophrenic disorder, depressive disorder, suicide, manic disorder, drug abuse disorder. These all disorders can be prevented if there is therapeutic intervention by giving 1 month holiday, 15 days at 1 week admission in a mental setup under supervision of psychiatrists, social workers, therapists, intervention, even mindfulness technique, relaxation training. Try to utilize the services of centers already established centers. I am inviting young psychiatrists and young mental health professionals to start new centers. So public can take services from us. In the general loka kalyana to prevent the illnesses completely, that is our ashrama siddhanta of old and ancient philosophy. Ashrama siddhanta, in the ashram, there is no shrama, no stress. Our all psychiatric centers, maybe Atmalaya center, rehabilitation centers are wellness centers and like a ashrama, which will decrease the stress. So it will prevent illnesses. second episode can be prevented, third episode can be prevented. It improves the quality of life and wellness. Thank you very much. And this is a message from the South Zone Office of Indian Psychiatric Society and Tamil Nadu State Branch, Indian Psychiatric Society. Thank you.
இன்று உலக தற்கொலை தடுப்பு தினம் விழிப்புணர்வு நிகழ்ச்சியை முன்னிட்டு ஆத்மாவில் வெபினார் நடத்தினோம். இதில் 2000 பேருக்கு மேல் பங்கேற்றார்கள். இது ஒரு சாதனை என்று கருத வேண்டும். இதன் மூலம் தற்கொலையை அனைவரும் சேர்ந்து அயராது உழைத்து தற்கொலையை ஒழிக்க வேண்டும் என்பதுதான் நம்மளது லட்சியம். இப்பொழுது நாங்கள் எடுத்திருக்கும் சபதம் தற்கொலை இல்லா திருச்சியை உருவாக்குவோம் என்ற சபதத்தை எடுத்திருக்கிறோம். அதற்கு அனைவரும் சமூக ஆர்வலர்கள், பொதுமக்கள், பத்திரிகையாளர்கள், ஊடகங்கள், டிவி சேனல்கள் இதெல்லாம் மனநல விழிப்புணர்வை அதிகமாக ஏற்படுத்தி இந்த மனநலத்தை நம்ம நாட்டின் மன வளத்தை பெருக்கி தற்கொலை இல்லாத ஒரு நகரத்தை உருவாக்குவோம் என்று கேட்டுக்கொள்கின்றேன்.